Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel again. So in this video I will show you how you can use Chat GPT for coding and programming. Yes, so first of all you have to open up the Chat GPT on your Windows, and then you will ask for it. Okay, so let's say that we want a code on write Unity C# code for FPS controller. Unity is a gaming engine, okay, and FPS means first person controller. If you know about games, if you play games, then you should know this. And we hit enter. Now what this will do is this will create a basic first person controller script in C# for us. So as you can see that I am doing nothing, okay. This is automatically writing this code for me. When this is done, I will just copy this code from here and paste it in my game, and my player will start to move. So we will wait for this to complete. Okay, so it is completed the script, and here it says that this script allows the player to move around using WASD keys and look around using the mouse. So look how easy it is. Like, you just have to copy this code and paste it into your games, and yes, you can customize it little bit according to your needs. Okay, so next we will type here, okay, write Unity C# code for Flappy Bird. Let's check. Here's a basic Flappy Bird script in C#. Flappy Bird is a very famous game if you played it. So what this will do, this will create a basic script of the game for us. This tool is amazing, man. I mean, look, this is automatically creating the script for me. I just have to go and copy this code, and then I have to paste it in the game. So that's it. Okay, this script allows the player to control the Flappy Bird by tapping the screen or clicking the mouse in the Unity editor. So this is just the basic script. Okay, let's say in another language. Let's say we want a code in Java. So let's say write Java code for calculator. Now what this will do is this will basically write a code and create a calculator in Java programming language. So look how easy it is. Like, you don't have to think about the code. just come over here, type what you wanted, it will give you. Just copy the code and paste and enjoy. So that's it, guys. That's how you can use Chat GPT to write some codes. So if you like this video, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.